So now here you can see we have just defined these things here, and like I've told you previously also, like my internet connection was just happening again, it is having a trouble here, so because of that I can't do live streaming again and again, and it is just third time here. So like I've told you previously also, this is my first live stream and I will be having many problems and troubles here, so just don't care about that. We have to just focus on our work and we have to just work with these all things here. Now here I will be just open my checkbox, because just tell me like my sound is coming or not, and how is the video quality, just tell me. And everybody are commenting like Mahin Beck excited, RB Kids graphic, wow. Then again Ramesh TP Notok 19 comments like hello, RB Kids graphics again coming like hello again. Then Ramesh TP Notok 19 again comment like hello YT family, thanks. Then again there is comment coming, so I'll be just minimizing here. Then you can see that also I will be just taking my chat box here and I will be just reading all the comments which will be coming. And at the top, first comment was like by Egg Majot Singh, which is selling like pumper. Okay, so you are just pump about these things. We are just making clone here of Instagram, and I hope you are pump about that and you will be just enjoying this clone here. It's also like you're enjoying my previous ones, but this is my first clone which I am just doing in live streaming, and I hope you will be enjoying these clones here like I am doing. And I will be also doing many clones in future also, so just support me like that and just keep supporting me, because I want your all support, then I can do these things. If you don't support me, so I can't do everything like that. So here I want your support to do these things, so just support me, and just I will be giving my best to do my clones and everything which I am just working here. And I will be also trying my best to work in my live streaming and everything here. Now here I will be just opening, with that I'll be opening my VS Code in the half screen here, because here we have to just work with. Now you can see we have just defined that all things, but first of all I will be just, now we will be not work with any of the coding, but first of all we have to just take some rest, because here we are just doing coding since long time. So here we will be just talking about some things here, like here now you can see we have just made this Instagram clone. Now here we will be checking like what are the comments coming, then we will be talking about that. And like I've told you, you will be asking any of the question related to my topic, like you can just ask here. Then here everybody are commenting like from here, like Nama big comment, sounds good, thanks. Then again so a big comment like great, keep it up, so thank you. Then Maria Faras again comment like hello Inshal, so hello to all of you which are just giving comment in my live chat. So just I want all your comments, and just first of all you have to just comment like my sound is coming or not, and you have to also comment like how is my video quality, is this good or not. So just take me and give comment to me like sound is coming or not, so just give me. And RB Kids graphic again comment like excellent, so thanks here. So here just you can also ask any question related to clone if you want to. I will be just giving answer of your all question which you will be working with. So here thank you for all, every comments are coming just good here. Okay, so here come underneath, and just now here I will be just minimizing that all things. Now you can see we have defined that all things which we need to. Now here first of all I will be just doing like I'll be checking my live streaming it is working or not, because here my internet is having some of the issues, so because of that I have to check again and again streaming is working or not. Okay, so my streaming is just working here, you can see. So now here we will be working with these all things here. Now first of all I will be doing one thing, like again I'll be opening my chat box here, and I want all the comments like you are giving, so thank you all. And here Maria Faraz again coming like sound good, thanks here. Then I'm a comment like video sounds and your work all good, okay, so thank you. Okay, so now my sound is coming like good. Okay, so now it is good here. Okay, so thank you Ramesh TP Notok 19 by commenting this. Okay, so here you can see that we have just having many of the comments, and I hope you all are just commenting, and my videos is just good, and sound is and video quality is also good. So just take care of the video quality and sound. If it is having any of the trouble, you can just comment me in live chat, and I will be checking your all of the comments, and just I will be changing my sound, and I will be also changing my like video quality if it is having any trouble. So just tell me immediately if it is having trouble or anything like that. So here you can see that we have just having many of the codes like I've written previously in my previous stream, because like I've telling you the internet connection was that, so because of that I can't do my stream again. So here I have to just do it in next day here. So you can see that we have defined that all codes like previously, so we have to just work with that. Now when you've done that all thing, just here I will be doing like I'll be first of all going forward here, then here I will be just coming in my React, because here we are just working with React.js, and in React.js you have to just write some of the really important codes of React here, like we have written previously. So here we have to also write. Now I will be doing one thing, like I will be coming underneath and creating a style tag here. So here it will be not a style tag of like when we are just linking our style sheet, we will be just writing a style tag like simply when we write here. So I'll be writing style, in that I will be writing test here. So you can see that we have written. So like I've telling you previously, when we written the view class here, which we have just written previously, so the view class is having a class of style. Like when we write div tag, so in that we are just having a class name tag which help you to just define your class here. So like that we are just having a style tag from which you can just having a text tag which helps you to just define your class here. So I'll be writing a text tag here. Then here I'll be writing equal to, then I will be just writing two brackets here, means like this commas here. Then I will be after that writing in that like just you have to write floor underscore random. So here you will be thinking like why I've written this underscore random. So here I'm writing that because here we have just written many of the name of our classes and we don't have any other name. So if you want to write simple name, so you can write that of yours or any of the family member or any name you can just take here and write, because here you can just write anything. But that main cheese, the main factor is like you have to just know the class or everything which you are writing in your style tag or any tag which you are defining here. Then I will be closing this tag by writing this. Then I will be coming underneath here and I will be defining a tag which should be test, because here we will be just using this test to just define our class. So here I will be only writing class, not class name, because it is a class now. Then in that I will be writing a like script tag. Okay, so this script tag, like I've told you previously, means not previously, we have just read this script tag in previous videos of JavaScript, where I'm just telling you related to projects which we just make many of the project of JavaScript. So in that we use a script tag to just link our JavaScript sheet with HTML sheet. So here we have to also use script tag because here we have to also use some of the JavaScript in React when you're working with. So and we have also writing React in our JS file, if you just notice one thing here. So also there is not any of the file of React, it is a file of React, but in the React file you have to just link your files which you are working with. You can't write any of the code. The codes of React you have to write only in JavaScript file, and in JavaScript file obviously you have to write some of the JavaScript code also. So because of that I am defining a script tag here in the class tag which we have written after test. Now here I will be coming underneath again defining a view tag here, which is just already we have defined previously. Now here with this help of view tag I will be defining a class name tag, because here in this view tag we have written style class but we have not written class name here. So I'll be writing class name, and we have also written like style, logo and many other things like which we want to. Now here I will be writing class name of React, closing that by writing this. And here when you've done that all thing, just I will be doing one thing, like I will be just not doing anything because here we have already typing two enters here. So here we don't have to do anything, just we will be writing our text which we need to write in center of that. So I'll be writing logo here which we have to write. Now when you've done that all things, I will be just hitting save here. So you can see we have saved these all things which we need to go back here again, and you can see we have just done that with that all things. Now here we have just defined till here. You can see that till here we have only defined because here we have to only define these comments which we have just linked to my website. So like I've telling you in the starting when I was just showing you demos, like I've telling you, you have to just take this comments or anything you can just take from Google or anywhere you can just take, and you can also give any of the link of your image, or you can take this logo image here from Google or anywhere if you want to. Now here we have just now which we have, with this help of tag we have just made this part here of this box. Now underneath this box I will be writing some of the codes again, means here I will be writing comments like I've shown you. If I just scroll down you can see these are all the things which I have just taken from the website of Randomly, which is coming above. And there is our sign up and sign in button which is having a random hover effect with the help of our pop-up animation like I've told you previously. Now here I will be just opening my live chat again, because like I've telling you I will be checking every comment which is just coming. Okay, so there is only one comment link coming like your background is so beautiful. Okay, so thanks here. And then here underneath we are just having another comment like Uzafa Beg good, and then Uzafa Beg again coming like well done, so thank you all. Then here when you've done that all thing, just I will be doing one thing, like I will be just coming underneath here. Then I will be just going forward here, and you can see we have defined that all thing. Just I will be going back, and now when you've done that all thing, just I will be going to index.html file, then I will be just also going to the app.css file, and you can see we have just defined these things which we need to. Now here I will be doing one thing, like I will be coming underneath this font size tag, then I will be pressing backspace here. Like I've telling you, we have just defined this font size tag. Here now we will be defining font weight tag, which is just after that. So here you have to write font weight. Okay, so when you've written that, just you can write any of the font weight here which is just related to your font which you are working with. So you can just write it 600, 500, 400 or any size you want to. So here I will be changing this to like 600 if I do close that here, and here we have done that. Now you can see we have defined font size, font weight, and in the last we will be also defining font family. But now you have to just understand the main factor, like what is font weight here, which we have written after font size. So this font tag font weight, okay, it means font weight. This font weight is a main tag which we have to use after this font size, because here when you have just written your text size or font size, so now it is perfect. But here you have to also set its themes, like you set theme of VS Code or any other thing, like you set themes of that. So here we have to also set the theme of our font, like we want it in dark, light or any color. If you want to, you can also change by writing this color tag which I have shown you previously. And if you want to change its font weight, if you want it to light, so you can take it to like 200, or you can also take it to 400. But if you want it more darker, so you can take it to 500, 600, 700 or 800. But 600 is better if you want in dark, and if you want in light, so 400 is better, because here we don't have to do so much light and so much dark. We just want to have just normal effect here in our text. So I'll be also taking this dark one, because here I love this dark which I have just written. You can see that it is in dark, so because of that the starting heading I want in dark, but these things should also be in dark. I've just only changed its font family which is in Open Sans. So I'll be going to top here, and I will be doing one thing, like I will be coming underneath creating font family now, and the font family here, which means like you have to define your fonts style which you will be just making. So here I will be writing that first of all like Open Sans, and I will be writing comma sans serif, and there are many other font family which you can use. This font family means like text style, means you can just take it to Times New Roman, Open Sans, Montserrat, Roboto, and you can also take many others which is coming font families like that. You can just download from Google also and link that to your HTML or JS file here, but you can only link with HTML file, and here we are not working with HTML file. And if you want to see like how to link that, I've just in HTML file I have just written that all things, and you can just check my previous videos also, like I've told you how to link your Roboto means any of the font family with your like index.html file, because here you have to take your fonts from Google, from like you can take from any of the random website like W3 Schools or any other website. You can take your fonts or anything, then you can just paste the link which is coming in your file of HTML, and here when you've done that you have to just link your CSS file and you can work with here. Now when you've done that all thing, just I will be coming underneath here. Now I hope you understand what is this font size tag, what is font weight, and what is font family. And previously I've just defined these all tags here, so I hope you all understand that all. Now here I will be just coming underneath and writing a tag which should be like now border, but here it should be not border, it should be border style, and the border style we don't want anything, we should be none. So here you will be thinking like we have just defined this border color and border radius also, so what is this border style? So this is the main factor which you have to just understand related to border, because here this border style is a tag which help you to change your style of border. So here like there are many of the borders coming, like simple border, zigzag border, then there are also coming like inline border, front line border, back line border. There are many border styles here, so you can just use any of the border style which you are just familiar with, or you can also do any other border style if you want, or if you don't like any of the border style, so you can take it to none like I've telling you, and I've also written that, because here I don't like any of the border style like zigzag or inline or front line or back line, because I've just only means I just only like this simple border which is coming randomly when we just save our file or anything like that. So here you can just work with, or you can also change anything into border or border size, you can also change here. So here I'll be coming underneath. Now I hope you understand what is this border style tag here. Then underneath I will be also writing a border. The tag should be just familiar with border, but the tag should be just different here. I'll be writing border, but after this I'll be writing border width. So this border width means like this which should be 100 pixel I will be taken, because here previously also I've just taken this 100 pixel, like I'm telling you and I'm just understanding you these things. Here we have to just measure first of all these things, then we have to write its size. I'm not writing randomly, just I'm showing you like how to write, and I'm just explaining you these all things, so because of that I'm writing randomly. But here you have to just first of all measure these all things, then you have to write. So here you have to measure like border width, simply like that. It is the border width which is coming here. So here you have to measure that, then you can just write here in your border width tag after this colon which we have written, like semicolon, you can say that. Now you can just define that and you can write your border width here by just measuring these things. Now here you can also set your random border width if you want to, but here I've just measured and then written, so it will be not having any difficulty or problem when I will just writing these tags. Now here we will be opening our live chat again to see how comments are coming, because I have to just check again and again like how people are here and how many comments are coming. And you can see there are many comments are coming like that. So here if I just go to the top, and you can see that there is coming every comment, like there is coming from Destructive Gaming, then Huzaifa Beg comment, then Taimur Beg comment like good, Taimur Beg again comment word. Okay, so here then again there are many of the comments coming like Taimur Beg comment fast typing. Okay, so I am fast typing because here we have to just writing many of the things, so because of that I'm typing fast, so there will be not difficulty for you also. So if you are just not typing fast, so I will be just now writing slowly if you want to. Then here everybody are commenting, so here thank you all, and here I will be just coming underneath, and here thank you Abdul Rahim Farooq comment like you always make informative video bro. Okay, so thanks here. So just if you know about these programming languages, you can also try that all things. And here everybody are coming like that. So here now the John Ben comment like very informative, so thanks here. Then Taimur Beg again comment like comments are good. Okay, so I am also seeing these things like all the comments are good, and I'm just really appreciate you all because you all are supporting me, and I want your support to just make these things again and again so I can just make. Okay, so here I want. Okay, so you are trying, it is good thing Taimur Beg, like he is typing very fast and I am also trying. Okay, so just try, because if you just try anything and give your best to do these things, because if you do that, so it will be just not anything like that. Okay, so now I will be writing slowly here if you want to. So here just for writing fast, you have to just take care of one thing, like you have to just write everything on keyboard here and just write like that, and here you have to write it fast, because here we have to just try our best to do our best and give our best to just do our work. So like that we have to do everything. Now I will be just coming underneath here, and just like I've told you previously also, just comment me like my sound is coming. I'm just telling to everyone like how many people are just coming in my live chat, just comment me like my video sound is coming and my live video sound and everything is coming, like quality is good or video sound is coming. So just comment me also, I can just think like it is good or not. Okay, so just comment these all things here so I can just check, and if it's doing any of the problem or it is also having any of the problems, so I will be checking these all things. So just comment that all. So here okay, RB gets graphic comment like your sound is good. Okay, so I also want your from all of you like Taimur Beg, then again I want from all of you like please comment me my sound is coming or not. There are many people here, so just comment me like sound is coming or not, because here I want every of your comment like sound is coming or not, because here this is really important to do these things here. Then I will be coming underneath. Okay, so it is good. So I will be doing one thing, like I will be now coming underneath here, then here I will be just doing like I'll be coming underneath this border width tag here. Then when you've done that all thing, just here I will be writing another thing which should be like border, but now here I will be writing that to like border left. So here like when we written padding left or margin, so first of all I will be writing that. Now when you've done that, I will be hitting save here so we can save our work. So here when we written this margin, and with that margin I've also written this padding left here with this padding here. So this padding left, what is this padding left tag means? Like I've told you previously, this padding tag means like this will be giving you gap, or you can also help of that you can give spacing from left, but this is padding left, so you can only give spacing from left, you can't give space from right, top or bottom. But with the help of this padding, you can just change your top, bottom, left right, and every spacing here if you want to. But here I am just using separately because I want everything should be just separately coming here. So because of that I am using these separate tags, and you can also use if you want to just do like measuring separately. Here you can also just use these tags here like I am using. Then there is another tag which should be like we are talking about border left, and I was just in padding left to just explain you how it's worked. So like that, this border left also mean like it is only defining your border left here. This is the border left here, so it will be only define this border left thing, and you can only define with that. Like you can change its color, you can change its style, you can change its size, or you can do anything with this left only, because here we are defining border left, we are not defining border right, top or bottom. So with the help of this border left tag, you can change its size, color, style, and everything related to this border you can do, which is just in CSS. So you can do that all things here with the help of that, and you can also make everything related to this border left, because this border left, right, top, bottom, every tag are really important related to border here, which you can just use to work with these all things here. And I hope you are enjoying till this, and I hope you are enjoying my stream till here also. So here, like I've telling you previously, my internet connection was having the trouble, so because of that I can't do streaming really good. So here, if the sound quality and my video quality is having trouble, so just tell me about that, because here this is really important to check these things. This is my first live stream and I have to also check these things here, so because of that I want to just talking about these things again and again here. So I want to check that all. Now you can see we have just defined these all things here. Now you have to do one thing, like you have to just come underneath here again. Now when you just come underneath, just you have to write a tag which should be like border, and I'll be changing this tag to border right. So like we have written border left tag, so here this is also a tag which is called border right. This border right tag helps you to just change your color of your border right, size, style, or anything related to this border right you can do, but you can only change this border right here. You can't change like border top, bottom, or anything, or left also. You can only change its border right color or anything if you want to, because here we are defining border right, not border left, top, bottom, or anything like that. So here, now I hope you understand what is this border left and right tag. So like that we will be also writing border top, border bottom tag. So here I'll be writing that. Now here after it we will be also understanding like what is margin left and everything. So here first of all I will be writing border bottom also. So I hope you understand this tag, because here if I just write these all things, so you will be thinking like I've just not understand these things here. So here the meaning is same, like now it means like border top, so you can change border top color, size, or anything like that. And border bottom, like you can also change from border bottom, like these things we are doing with left, right, or top here. Now I will be just hitting save here, so we can just save our work, hit refresh here. So now it is working, you can see that. Okay, so now all the things are just working here. Now when you've done with all things, I will be doing one thing, like I will be just coming underneath this border bottom tag here. Then like I'm telling you, I will be writing margin left tag. So here I'll be writing like margin left. Then here I will be changing this to like 10 pixel now, or you can change it to 14. I'll be changing to 14. Now here you have to hit save. Now here you will be thinking like I've just written this padding left 100, but here I'm just changing this margin left into 14 pixel. But I'm just telling you like this padding left and margin right are just same tag, but the difference is like this padding left only helps you to just change your padding, means spacing, gapping, and everything related to your padding. And this margin helps you to just give spacing, gapping, and you can also give space from above, top, left, and right. But here we are using margin left tag, so you can only give space from left, or you can only give gap from left, because these both things are just work differently. Because here just difference is that these all things are just working same, like this padding and this margin, but the difference is this margin is opposite of this left. If you define this margin left and you write 14 pixel, like I've shown you example, like if I write margin left and if I write it to 14 pixel, just when you write this tag by linking your style sheet with your HTML, and when you write, so just take example like what answer will be coming. So answer will be coming like this margin left will be changed into margin right, and it will be just not applying these things, like this will be not change the size of this margin left 14 pixel. It will be changing the size of margin right, which will be 14 pixel, because like I'm telling you, this is the opposite of your margin. So if you write margin right, so it will be taken the size of margin left. So here if you define margin left, so it will be taken the size of margin right. If you define margin top, it will be taken the size of margin bottom, and if you define margin bottom, so it will be taken the size of margin top. So like that your margin is working with and here you can also take margin randomly if you want, or if you want customly, so you can also measure here, you can write if you want to, but I am writing just examply because here I am showing you like how to do that all things. But here my choice is to just write these things by customly, so you can just set your own size and everything, and there will be not any problem for you also, and there will be not any problem in your code also when you will be writing these things. Now here I'll be opening my live chat again, so I can just check my comments which is coming here. So just open your live chat here. Okay, so everything is coming like that. Okay, so now everything are coming like that. Okay, so every comment are just coming, and I will be just coming underneath, and here everybody are just coming within it. Okay, so here I am just coming every on the comment. Okay, so here everybody are just commenting good. Okay, so I'm just liking these all comments, and just I'm appreciating you all because you are just doing, and you are just doing these things like commenting my code, and I'm just appreciate you all, and I will be also writing some comment for you, so your appreciation will be also good. So here I will be just writing like I will be just writing all appreciation for you also, because here I love you all and I just want to appreciate you all because you all are supporting me here. All appreciation. Okay, so I'll be writing to you all. Okay, so because I will also love you also, because of that I want these things to do for you also. So here I'll be opening my emoji tag here, and here I love this emoji because here if I go to the top, okay, so there is the emoji which I just used previously also. Press this send icon. Okay, so now my image is sent. So I'll be doing one thing like I will be just I'll be minimizing that, but first of all here I'll be pressing this icon to just these things. Okay, so here I'll be just doing one thing like, and I'll be minimizing that here, and you can see that we are just written these things. And now when you've done that all thing, just I will be doing one thing like I will be just coming underneath here, and I will be just writing like margin, and I'll be changing that to like margin right here, because now here we have just already written margin left, so here we have to just understand the main thing which is called margin right after this margin left tag which we have defined. Now here when you define that, just I will be writing semicolon, so I can define my size of margin right. You can just write it to 20 or 15, but mine is 15 pixels, so I'll be writing that, and you can measure and write customly here if you don't know about that. So here I'll be hitting save here. Now here when you've done that all thing, just I will be doing one thing like I'll be going to top. So here we have just understand like what tags are that, and I hope you all understanding these all things. Then here I'll be opening my chat box here. Okay, so just please don't comment like that because I don't like these comments, so please not comment like that here. Okay, so thanks all. Okay, so now here I'll be just minimizing these things, and just take care about that your comments should be good, because here are my family members and everyone watching these comments, so just you don't use any of the bad words or just scam anything like that. So because here my everyone are watching here, and my live streaming is just all over the world, and it is also first live stream, and I'm just doing it first time, so you can just give me guide, or you can also a guideline give to me, so I can just learn these things, and I can also learn like how to do live stream if I do that again and again, so I can just learn that all things. So this is my first one, so because of that we are having trouble. If I do that again and again, so we will be not having any net connection trouble or anything like that trouble in video quality or audio. So this is first time, so because of that I'm giving audio and video quality is just coming like that here. So here I'll be doing one thing like, now here you understand like what is this margin left tag here. Now you have to just understand what is this margin right tag here now. So this margin right tag, so this margin right tag is a tag here. This means this meaning is same, this margin right margin left, but the difference is like this margin left margin right just define you the margin right means it's only you can define gapping from margin right, spacing from margin right, and you can also only define the things from margin right. You can't define the things from like margin top bottom, you can only define from the right, like we have written margin right, so obviously we have to also define margin right. But some people don't know about these things, and they say like this margin right also defined from margin left top and bottom. So for beginners I am telling these things like this margin right only define the right tag, and like I've telling you. Okay, so this is my mistake here, because here like I've telling you this is the opposite of that. So don't think like this margin right will be defined right, it will be defining left, because I'm telling you this is the opposite of that, and this margin left will be defining right. So okay, sorry, because this was my mistake here. I was just understanding you just samely, because here we have written padding left also tag, so because of that I was just confused here. So here you can see I am just confused, so you will be also confusing in these things, but you don't care about these things here, because here there will be just these things, but here you have to don't care about that all things which we are working with now. So you can see we have just worked with that all. Now here I will be doing one thing, like you can see that this margin left define your margin right tag, and this margin right define your margin left tag. So here take care about these things. Now I will be opening my live chat again, means my comment box. So here everything is just coming like that. Okay, so here now it is good. So here I'm just telling everything like that. So here going to the top and everything are just coming like that. Okay, so thank you all just commenting like that. Okay, so thanks. And here I will be doing one thing, like I will be just minimizing that here, then here I will be just refreshing my page here. So just you have to hit refresh, and I was just refreshing that previously also, so who don't think like I don't refresh here. So I've just refreshed that previously, but if you just take care about that, so here I'll be refreshing again. So go to your comment box here, and here every comment are coming. Okay, so now it is good. Okay, so thank you all so commenting me like that. So RB kids coming like good, then here also commenting are like comment you all. Okay, so thanks here, and then everybody are just enjoying my live stream, so thank you all. And just I also want you to just tell me all things here. Okay, so here thank you all. Okay, so John Ben comment like bro you are a real hero. Okay, so thanks here to tell me these things, because here I love to just know these comment, and I'm not a hero, you are also hero if you just practice these all things and just working with that all. So you will be also become a hero like that, and you can also do these things like that. So here you can just do these things, and here you can also do like that. Okay, so now here I will be doing one thing, like I will be just doing like that. Okay, so here now I will be just doing one thing, like I'll be going to top. Okay, so now it is good here. Then here I will be just minimizing that, and you can see that we have defined till margin right here. Now we will be also defining margin top tag. So for doing that I'll be just checking my live streaming again, it is working or not. So here it is good. So I'll be doing one thing, like I will be just coming underneath here, and now I will be defining a tag which should be margin, and I'll be writing margin top. So here I'll be writing that too, like 13 pixel now, because here we will be now writing 13 pixel which we have to define. Now I will be just hitting save here, because here we will be writing that all things. Now when you've done that all things, just I will be hitting save, and here it will be now defining this margin top tag will be defining the margin bottom, because here like I'm telling you it is the opposite of these things. So because of that this margin top tag will be defining the margin bottom here. Because of that it will be just worked with, and I hope it will be just working good, because here we have to just do these things. Then when you've done that all thing, just I will be going top, and you can see we have just working with dot all. Now here I will be doing one thing, like I will be opening my chat box. Okay, so every comments are coming here, then I will be just coming underneath here, and here every comments are coming, and I'll be just going to top here. Then I will be coming underneath, and now I will be defining a tag which should be margin bottom here, which should be same like margin top, because if you are defining the thing like margin top bottom, so it should be just same from above also and down, because in React and in every language you have to just take the same of top also and bottom also, so there will be not different, and it will be not do like things like that. So here because of that we have to take all the things same. So here you can see we have just defined margin bottom 13 pixel and margin top. So here now this margin bottom will be defining your margin top tag here, which helps you to just run with your tag here. So I'll be refreshing page again, so you can see we are just getting these things here which we want to, like we are getting these comments. Then if I show you underneath which we have just made here, so just scroll down, and here I'll be just scrolling down. So I've just written these tags, because here you can see we have till we have just make from here, because here we have not want to make these things. First of all we have to just make a sign up button. For that we have already make, but here we have to just apply this username and email password which we need to. So for that you have to just do, like you can open your Firebase or you can work with in that. So I will be just opening my Firebase here. Okay, so just open your Firebase, which is an extension from Google and you can work with. So I'll be going down enough and open that. Then I'll be pressing get started button here, so I can start with my Firebase here. And then here you have to just do one thing, you have to change my email, because here I will be not working with this one email, I'll be using another one. So here I'll be closing this one, Firebase console, because already I just using. And you can just write any of the passwords which you are having of your email. I am just using another one, so because of that I am just having another one. So you can see we have done that, and this is our Instagram clone which we have just made previously here. Then I will be opening that, and we have to just open our authentication here. So I will be going to authentication and go to sign in method. So here we have just enabled this email password. Now here we have to also enable this phone number tag, enable save, and you can see phone enabled here option is coming. Now when you've done that all things, I will be going to back here, go back again, and then I will be scrolling down here. When you've done that, just I will be pressing cloud messaging tag here, and now it is good. So I will be coming underneath, and here we have to just link with our sign up button. So I'll be pressing send your first message, and you can write your first message here which you want to write. So I will be writing like this is good. So you can see the message is showing here also. Okay, so I'll be coming here, then I'll be writing like this is a good text and a beginner text to write. So I'll be writing like that. Now when you've done that, you can upload an image, but I will be not doing, and you can write your name, like I'll be writing my name. And when you've done that, just you have to press send test message, and here if you just run it on your device, so it will be good, but I will be not doing, and you can press next. And you can also use our app. So here I'll be selecting app of this, and you can just erase that and press next. So it is good. Press next here, next here. Then you have to do nothing, just write any of the Android notification or anything like that. So I'll be writing this is good, like text which we have written, and you have to write only the key which you have to just write simply. And then this should also be same like key. Then I'll be copying and pasting that here and here and here, then here also. Okay, so like that we have just paste. Then you have to enable that, and here I'll be just doing 2 weeks, and here you can save that at the top. So here when you've done that, you can see this campaign is saved now. So here I'll be just going to my React app here, closing this Instagram clone tag which we have just made. Then here I'll be going to this app.js file here, come underneath, and we have to just create a tag. So here I will be coming underneath, and I will be writing a tag which should be like test, and I'll be writing test div equal, then I will be changing this to view, close that here, and here I will be just coming underneath and writing a tag which should be style, then create a class div tag here. Now when you've done that, just I will be writing equal to this sign here which we have written previously in every tags which we are defining. Then in that I will be defining another tag which should be like Instagram, which should be just in small here. So I'll be writing that, close that here. Then I will be writing another tag which should be like logo. Okay, so logo we have already done. I will be changing this to like script. So now it is good. So here I'll be hitting save, and again I'm just telling you like comment me like my sound and video quality is good or not, because I want these comment from all of you which are just in live chat and everything, because here I'm just doing like that. And here okay, so ma'am Ahmed again comment. Okay, so thank you all. And now here I'm just getting every good comment. Okay, so thank you. And then again it is coming comment like that. Okay, so I love you all. So I'll be just minimizing that here, and you can see we are just getting comments, and I'm just enjoying these all and this live stream here, because here I'm just enjoying your all the comments and everything like that. So I'll be just coming underneath, and I'll be writing another thing which should be like animation, because here we have defined animation after this tag here. So I'll be writing animation, and I'll be writing name, like we have writing class after its animation that. So I will be writing that to like a script tag here. Then after it I'll be closing this, and now when you've done that all things, just I will be writing that to like React here. So when you've done that all things, I will be just hitting save here. So when you've done that, just I'll be going forward. Okay, so just go forward here, and you can see we have just defined these things which we need to. Now when you've done that all, just I will be going back here, and you can see that it is good now. So I will be doing one thing, like I will be just hitting save here, and then here I will be just going simply to my index.html file which we were working with. Then I'll be going forward here, and you can see we have defined this image. So here it is our image which we have to define. That sign in sign up button which we have defined in app.js here at the top. If I show you, so here it will be just, you can see that. So here go to app.css till margin bottom we have defined. Now here I will be just coming underneath, and I will be defining a tag which should be like, now here I will be changing this to border and change it to like border we have already done now. So here I will be coming and writing a tag which should be like, first of all here I'll be changing this to justify content. So write that which should be in center, so I'll be writing that. So this justify content means like everything. Okay, so this justify content means like everything which you are defining in your HTML or React or JavaScript, which should everything should be in center. Aligned here means not in center, it should be aligned in their places here. So here you can just align in the center of your page or in their places here by using your margin and padding here, which we have written at the top here, or you can also write it in the first, like when I'm just writing clone. So first of all I write this justify content there, then I write like box sizing, align item, display flex, and that things here. So because of that, the justify content is a good tag which you can just use to just center align your things. So when you've done that all thing, just I will be doing one thing, like I will be just coming underneath and I'll be writing a tag which should be like align items, because here I also want align items with that which should be in center, so I can just work with my codes which I am writing. So I'll be writing align items which should be in center. So here when you've done that all things, I will be just hitting save here, and now it is good. So here when you've done that, just it will be working, because here this justify content and this align item is not having many of the difference, because this align item just help you to just take your item should be center aligned like just justify content, but these both are just working in the same position. But this align item just take helps you to just take your all the things which you want to, means I am not telling you you can just do all the things which you want to. Okay, so you can also do like all the things if you want, and if you want some of the things in center of your page or anything, so you can do that with the help of this align items tag. Or if you don't want to, so you can just take separately class in HTML or React. If you are working with HTML, you can give class separately in HTML, and if you're working with React or JavaScript, you can just give class in separately JavaScript or React. Then here you have to write align item, so it will be just taken the class, means it will be taken the align item to that things which you are just giving the class. Okay, means not the class which you are not giving the class them, so it will be taken the align items to them, so there will be not problem also. Now I will be hitting save here, opening my live chat again, so I can check my comments here. Okay, so every comment from here. Okay, so everyone are just comment here. Okay, so here everyone are doing comments. Okay, so I love you all, and everyone are just commenting like that. Okay, so thanks. And okay, so Amik Siddiqui comment like this, a masterpiece indeed. Okay, so thanks here. So here I want to just tell you, like you have to just support me, because here I want your all support, so I can just do these things, and I will be also doing all the things like these. So here it will be just good, and I will be also enjoying these work which you are just working with, and here I'll be just doing, and more I will be just writing these things, so it will be just good enough to just do with that all. Now you can see we have just written this align items tag here. Then I will be doing one thing like checking my live stream again. Okay, so it is working here. So now here when you've done that all things, just I will be doing one thing, like I will be just coming underneath here, and I will be just doing like I'll be first of all take it. Okay, so here when you've done that, now I'll be writing display. So here you have to write display block. So here just you have to comment again like sound and video quality is good or not. So in any of the thing like it is different, so I'll be just checking that here. So now here when you've done that, so I'll be doing one thing, like I will be hitting save, and now it is good, so I'll be just saving that here. Okay, so now here when you've done that all thing, just I will be doing one thing, like you have to do nothing, and now I will be understanding you like what is this display block tag here. So this display block tag is a tag from which you can just change your display here. Means display is a display, like you all know what is display obviously, because here this display thing is like this display which you are just showing and which you are seeing here in your page which you are just making, like we are making clone, so we are just seeing this display here. Okay, so this display is having a block. Okay, means not block like we made in any game or everything. So here the block is like a tag which you can just use to just make its border and this background beautiful. So here we are just using this block beautifully in our border, background, in everything like we are working with, and in our tags also, because here this display block tag is really important tag here, and here take care about that you write display block in first tag. So you will be thinking like I am writing in last, because here I am explaining you, so because of that I am writing in last. And here if you want to do that, so you can also do that here by writing in last, but my choice is to not write it last, just write it top if you are making a serious clone here. But I've just already made that, and I've also made it previously, so you can just use that and write in last if you want to here. So here I'll be going to file, then hitting save here, and I'll be just doing like that. Now here when you've done that all thing, just I will be doing like going to app.js file, and you can see we have defined many of the things which we need to here. So here we are working with that all, and I hope you are just enjoying till here. We are just working with that our Instagram clone. Okay, so here, and now here when you've done that all things, just I will be saving here, and that when you've done that all things here, so I will be doing one thing like I'll be just coming underneath. Okay, so it is good. So I'll be opening my live chat box again here. Okay, so everything everyone are just commenting. Okay, so thanks. Here Saira Masood, just comment like where you live in, please reply. Okay, so I was just living in Pakistan here, if you don't know here. So I will be just going down enough again, then here. Okay, so here, okay, so I'll be going to top, and here I'll be just going to the top again, and here I will be just coming underneath here, and then everybody are commenting. Okay, so thanks here. So I'll be doing one thing like I'll be just coming underneath by pressing this back, and I'll be just doing one thing like I'll be just going forward. Okay, so I'll be opening my comment box again here, so you can see everybody are commenting. So I'll be just going down, and here I'll be just going to the top again. So here just thank you for these comments here, because I like your all, and everyone are just commenting like good comment, so I just want you all. Okay, so thanks. So now here I will be doing one thing like I will be just coming underneath here, and I will be just pressing this minimize tag. Then when you've done that all thing, just I will be doing like I'll be going to forward, and here when you've done that all thing, just I'll be first of all going to back, then I will be coming underneath this text tag, and here we have written style, so I'll be coming underneath this style. Then here I'll be writing a tag which should be like logo, and this logo, with this logo tag I'll be writing a react tag here, and I'll be writing a name. Then when you've done that, I will be closing this tag by writing this, and I will be also writing another thing which should be like Instagram here, so I will be writing that. So when you've done that, or you can also not write if you want, but I will be not writing nothing, because here I will be coming underneath creating a name tag in which I will be writing my name of my display which I have just written. So I'll be writing Instagram clone, because here we are making that, so because of that I am writing that. Now when you've done that all things, I will be just hitting save here by pressing save, and we have done that all. Now when you've done that, just I'll be going to forward again. So here I will be just first of all doing like these things. Now here when you've done that, I will be going forward, then you have to hit save here, and now it is good. So here we have just worked with that all. Now I'll be going to app.css file, then I will be doing one thing like I will be coming underneath this display block tag again. Then here I will be writing another thing which should be like only width, so I'll be writing only width tag which should be 100 pixels. So here if I just know, so we have already written this tag. Okay, so I don't have to write that again and again. So I will be coming underneath creating a background tag here, and which should be white. So here you can see that the background color which I've just used here to writing that, this is will be just define you, and it's help you to just define your background color. And there is another tag which is like background color, and this is a tag from which you can change your background color, or you can also use the background tag to change your background color. But if you want to change your background color all of, so you can change with the help of this background color. But if you want to change all of the background color, and in one time you will be thinking like I want to change my half background color this and half background color this, means if you want to change two means one color into just separate colors, so you can do that with the help of this background colors. But it will be changing in all of them with the help of classes, you can just do that. But in background color you can't do that with the help of classes also, because here it will be just if you change one color in background color, so it will be changing permanently. But you can just erase and change another color, but it should be one time, means it should not be in separately, it should be just in double, means in one time you can just change in color in background. And if you want to just change again, so you can do that, but only here you can change that, you can't change here. Okay, means at the background of that you cannot do that. Or in navbar you can also write this background color to change your color here, or you can use background in your choice to just choose that. But my choice is to just use this background, because it's help you just change your background all of them, and it also help you just change your background in separate also. So it will be just a double help for you, so just work with that. And this background helps you to just change your background color, like you all know, because with the name we are just thinking like this is a color changer of background here. So now when you've done that all things, I will be just hitting save here, and we are just working with that. Now here I'll be opening my live chat to just see some of the comments which is coming. Okay, so good. Okay, so everybody are just coming like that. Okay, so thank you all commenting like that. Okay, so here And now when you've done that all thing, just I will be coming underneath here. And now here when you've done that, just I will be doing like, I'll be coming underneath here and writing another thing which should be like background, and I'll be writing that to background position here, which should be in center. So this background position is a tag from which you can just define your position of your background. Like if you want in left, so you can do that in left, or if you want in right, you can do that. If you want top, so obviously you can do that at the top, and if you want in bottom, so you can use with the help of background position in bottom. But we want our positions will be in center of background. We don't want to just change its position again and again, and center is also a position from which you can change your background position here. So this is also a good position from which you can change here. So I'll be directly going to file and I'll be hitting save. So now it is good. So I'll be going to my live streaming and check one thing like it is working or not. Okay, so it is again working. Okay, so now it is good. So I'll be doing one thing like I'll be going to my React app, and you can see we have defined till here, and I hope you all enjoy till here. Now we are just work with these things here. Now because of that, this is not thing making, because here we are working with our sign up button with the authentication. So because of that, it's not working. So here if I show you by sign up, so it will be working. If I just write Shalbeg, and here you have to just only write email you can use, and I'll be writing this email, but I've just already used that, so I can also use another email if I want to. So here I will be using another email which should be like, just I'll be using Shalbeg, then I will be changing this to 36 or 35. Okay, so I'll be writing that @gmail.com. so I'll be writing this, and here I'll be coming, and you can write any of the random password. I'll be writing hello world, then you have to press sign up, and you can just sign up here. So you can see now it is just saving my password. And so take care about that. Your Gmail should be just not any of the local Gmail, it should be just original Gmail which you are just using in your YouTube or anything account which you are just making. So just the Gmail should be not different, it should be just same Gmail which you are using. And if you want to just use another Gmail, you can do that, but it should be original. Just take care about that. And you can also save your Gmail here if you want, but I will be not doing that. Pressing this cross icon here, and you can see now there is a button of log out, because here we have just sign up and we are just also sign in, but here we have only sign up, and we also want to just take this sign in button. This is working, but if I press sign in, it will be not work. Okay, so here we have to also work with this authentication. So now here I will be coming underneath, and I will be writing a tag which should be like background, and change into like background repeat, which should be repeat. So here I'll be writing that. Now you will be thinking like, what is this background repeat tag? So this repeat means like you have to just take it again and again, again and again. Okay, means repeat is like that, like you all know. Now this background repeat is the same, means you can repeat your background again and again if you want. Okay, so many times you can just repeat your background, but this is your choice here. But I will be repeating in one time. So you can see it is repeating one in my nav bar, then it is also repeating second one in my background, which is just coming after, means before this box which is just coming here in this picture also. So before that my this repeat is coming, means this background repeat is coming here. So this is really good tag which you can just use to just change your background repeat or anything. Now I will be doing one thing like I will be saving here, and it will be now save your work here. So now when you've done that all thing, just I will be doing like coming underneath and writing a tag which should be like background, and here I will be just writing another thing. It should be like background clip, and it should be content box. So you will be thinking about like, what is this background clip tag? So now this background clip is a tag from which you can just change your background clip. So background clip means like the top of the clip which is coming up that in the nav bar or anything. So just take care about that. The background clip is only for the top, it will be not in left, right or bottom. It will be only in the top, because this background clip only work at the top of the nav bar or anything which you are making at the top only. It will be not working down, left or right. It will be only work in top. So take care about that, and you have to only work with that. So if you work with any other tag, means if you work with bottom, right and left, so it will be error, and your code will be not run, and it will be having a error, your clone. So here take care about that. Now I will be hitting save, and here you can see that we have just worked with these things which we want to. Now when you've done that all thing, just I'll be checking that again. Okay, so it was working good. So I'll be going here, and you can see we have defined these things here. I'll be saving here. Okay, so now it is good. So I'll be going to top. Okay, so now it is working really good. So when you've done that all thing, just I will be saving here, and now I'll be refreshing my page. Then here if I just go down, and you can see we are getting many of the things which we want to. Just we have just signed it, we have to also sign in here like I've telling you. So here there are many of the comments which I've just used here to write, and you can see we are just getting just like sorry you need to log in to upload, but our login button is not working. We have to just make it, which should be just work. So here now I will be open my live chat box again, and you can see everybody are just commenting again like, okay, so there is also commenting like John man comment today I am also a big fan. Okay, so thank you all. Then there are also coming like okay, so here thank you for this comment here. Then after that there is also commenting like Saima Khalid comment like proud Pakistani. Okay, thank you all. Then Saira Masood again comment I am a big fan of you. So thanks to just commenting these all because here I love you all and I hope you also love me. And here I also want these good comments from you, so I will be just make these clones like that, and I will be also working with these clones again in future, so it will be not any big trouble to just make that all, and I will be also try my best to make these things in future also. Okay, so thank you. And then again there are many of the comments coming like that. Okay, so here when you've done that all things, and here I'll be just minimizing that, and when you've done that just I will be going to my comment box here. uh, okay, so Zafa Beg comment like nice. Okay, so thanks here. So I will be just coming underneath, and you can see we have defined till background clip, and we have also defined after that content box here. So when you've done that all things, just here now I hope understand what is this background clip tag, and here now you will be thinking like what is this content box here. So this content box is a tag which help you just content your box, means it's help you to just content your box here above your clip. Means I've telling you this background clip only work in the top, so like that this content box is a tag which only works in the box, and it's only work in the top here. So because of that this content box is only work in your border of the box which you are just working at the top, and you can't see that box, it is in back end here. So back end means like it is not showing here, means this front which you are just showing, means which you are seeing these things which is coming in Instagram clothes, this is a front end because you can see these things, but the back end is a thing which you can't see, and you can just code in back end there, but you can only see in the code when you are writing. So only the coder can see which is just writing the code. So I am writing the code, so I can only see like this is the background clip at the back of my background which is coming here, and I can also check my content box, and you can also write content box size if you want, but I am not writing that because here you don't have to write any of the size here. So here you have to only write content box, so we can just define this is a content box here or not. Then when you've done that all thing, just you have to hit save, and here we have to just link this sign in button with our sign in button which is just coming here. So I will be going to my Firebase console again. Then here I'll be opening my Firebase. So open that by pressing this, and I'll be checking my live stream. Okay, so it is working really good. So I'll be just going to my Firebase section, press get started button here, and when you've done that all thing, just you have to do one thing, like I'll be again signing with my another one. So I'll be closing this. Okay, so it is good. So I'll be opening Instagram clone, which is my tag which I'm just using. So you can see there is our cloud message incoming which we have just made previously. Now I'll be opening my Crowdflyer store. So just work with my sign in button which is coming here in my React tab. So just go to here, and I'll be pressing create database, press next, and enable your database which is just in Firestore. Then here now it is coming like providing our Cloud Firestore, and it will be sometimes it will be create your Cloud Firestore app here, and you can just work with your database which is just coming here, and you can also do many things with that. Okay, so here now when you've done that all thing, just it will be take some time to just make because it is setting up some of the security rules which you are working with. So now you can see that we are just getting these things here, and there is coming like your database is ready to go. So you can just press start collection, set your collection ID which you can just use. So I'll be writing parent path which is just in the top written, and I can just use this tag. So I'll be going forward, press next, and here I'll be going back, and I will be also writing this auto ID. You have to only press this auto ID, you don't have to write anything. You can see auto ID is just come here. Then in this field you can write like message, and in value you can write any of the text like this is text. Then you have to do one thing, go forward, press save, or you can also add many of the post tags if you want, but I will be adding only one because here I am just showing you how to do that here, and you can add many of them if you want to. So here when you've done that, just here I'll be going to top, and I'll be just going here also. Then here I'll be opening my live chat box again, so I can just see like how many people are commenting here. So here, okay, so Saira Masood comment like I am always with you. Okay, so thanks here. Then again there are also very comment like hoops pieces comment like very impressive. Okay, so thank you. Then again there are many of the comment like Huzaifa Beg I am also with you bro. Okay, so thanks here. Then again there is also many of the what comments are coming, like Lara Rukh Siddiqui comments like, okay, so like that. Okay, so thank you all to commenting like that. And TP Notok 19 commenting like, oh, so I can't understand what you are saying, so just take an other language here. So now here I will be just going to top here, and you can see we are just getting many of the commenting here. So I'll be going to top here, and here I'll be also going to top, and you can see we are just working with another comment like that. So here when you're just working with that also, Amzala Khalid comment like very informative and helpful, so thank you all. So now when you've done that all thing, just I will be doing one thing, like I will be just coming underneath here, and you can see now it is good. So here I'll be linking my sign in button here. So now when you've done that all thing, just I will be going to my React app here, and here now if I show you by pressing sign up. Okay, so sign up here first of all. So here I'll be writing username, and here we have just already used and we have already signed up. So if you don't do that, so you can use that, and I'll be pressing sign in, which we have just used previously. I'll be writing 36@gmail.com. then I'll be going to password, and here, okay, so first of all we have to write password here. So password just we have just made like hello world, so I'll be writing that. So here I'll be writing hello world, then you have to press sign in, and now you can see there is coming like username password want to save, so you can do that, but here we don't have to do. I'll be pressing cross, and you can see beautifully this logout button has been come, and if I press, you can see this is changed into sign in. So here I'll be pressing sign in, and you can see now there is again the button of logout is coming with the help of our this Cloud Firestore, which we have just made with the help of our parent path, which helps you to just connect your logout button with your sign in. From with help of that we can just connect our sign in with logout button. So here if I scroll down, so you can see that now beautifully we are just having our enter a caption. So you can write like this is a photo, and you can just choose a file from your desktop, and you can upload any of the photo in that which you are just having, or any you can only upload photos. So just take care about that. You can't upload any of the mp4 mp3 or any video file here. You can only upload a photo here, and you can write a caption. Then you have to press upload, and you can upload that in here, like we are just uploading at the top. So like that you can also upload your things like in Instagram clone like we have made. So I'll be going down enough, and you can also add comment like hello world. So if I write hello world, this is good, and I'll be pressing post, press post. So now it will be just post here. If I just go to the top, so here just it will be posting here your comment which you have just done here, because here there will be many people who just are commenting, and it will be just many of the people which comments are coming at the top or down, and it will be just really good to just comment these all things. And here you can see we have just made one Instagram clone which we have to made, and now we have just made in some of the 2 hours, like we have just spent to just make these all things. And here I hope you enjoy my first Instagram clone in live stream, and I hope you also enjoy this clone like you are enjoying my previous clone. So by going, and I have to just check, like I'll be going to my live chat, and here I'll be checking my live chat first time here, like everybody are commenting like that. And then here Fahim Badir comment like I miss you some point, please little bit slowly Humera Fahim. Okay, so here thank you, but here I'm just now finishing, so you can just go to previous one and check my live stream here, so you can just work with. So if you just do this comment previously, so I can just say that I like that. Okay, so them may comment like he has now 30 likes. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so my like is also just increasing here, you can see that if I just open. So yes, here it is, you can see that there is 29 likes here, so I want only 1 like. Okay, so comment box, I'm requesting you for the 1 like I want. So here it will be just completing 30 likes here if I just want. So here you have to do that. Then I'll be opening my React app, and now it is working out. So here when you've done that all thing, just I will be working with that all. And now I hope you understand this clone, and I hope you enjoy my Instagram clone like that, and I hope you will be also enjoying my all the coming up future clones of live stream and of the video recording also, like you enjoy my previous clones of video recording and projects also of React. And I hope you also enjoy my coming up projects and clones also. So by going, first of all I will be just saying you, and I am just giving you comment like that. So here first of all I will be just saying you all bye, so I can just do like that. So I'll be writing bye you all everyone. Okay, so I'll be writing bye you all, bye to you all. Okay, so here I'll be commenting like that, and here I will be also doing like that. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this live stream here, and I hope you also enjoyed this first clone of live stream which we have made. So here now you understand like how to do live stream, and just you have to keep supporting me in live streams and every video which I am just doing. So it will be just really help for me, and I can also doing like I'll be just give my best and try my best to do every clone, and I will be also making every clone and everything which I have to made, and I will be giving my best to do these all things. So just do that. And here, so everybody goodbye here. So just I will be just giving comment like Mine Beg goodbye, then Hoops P says goodbye, Meme you goodbye, and Tamur Beg also goodbye, then Saira Beg, Saira Masood also goodbye. Okay, so everyone I want to say like everyone so goodbye, because now we will be just meeting in next clone. So now I will be just meeting in next clone. So for today, goodbye.